Hi, Danny Poulos from the Elite Lending Team at FB Mortgage. Listen, I want to tell you about a change that's happened in the real estate buying process over the last couple of years. And a lot of it has to do with some of the new regulations that have been put in place. Used to be, if you wanted to buy a house, you found a realtor that you were comfortable with and wanted to work with, and they would then send you to a mortgage banker to get pre-qualified before you went out to look at houses. And so that would be the step. Get pre-qualified, go look at houses. Well, here's what I'm going to tell you is different. Now, before you go look at houses, you want to plan at least 6 months ahead of time as a time when you should sit with your mortgage banker. And I'm going to give you 4 reasons why. Number one, all these new regulations really put a magnifying glass on your paper trail of assets. If you don't want to be buried in paperwork as far as where your money is coming from to buy the house, 6 months ahead of time, we can figure out how much money you're going to invest in the purchase and get it all consolidated and make that paper trail very simple. Number two, all rates now are based on risk-based pricing. That means the higher your credit score, the lower interest rate you're going to get, which means you're going to save money every month for the life of the loan. Well, 6 months gives us enough time to get your credit score as high as it can be before you apply for your mortgage. The next thing, if there's any accounts on your credit report that are inaccurate, that we need to dispute. Well, right now it's very difficult to get a mortgage if your account is in dispute. So we need to have enough time to get those accounts cleared up before you apply. And lastly, it really gives you the peace of mind of knowing what price range you're going to look in based on the mortgage payment that you're comfortable with. And wouldn't you want to know that way ahead of time? So my advice today is, if you're planning on looking for a house 6 months from now, you should get with a mortgage banker today. And listen, it's not too late. If you only have 4 months or 2 months, it's still something that the earlier you get started, the sooner you're going to reap the benefits of being a little bit proactive. Danny Poulos, the Elite Lending Team at FB Mortgage. Hope to see you soon.